How to complete challenges in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and tap play from the main screen. Once you are in a race or event, you will see challenges or missions listed in the game interface. These challenges guide you through specific objectives you need to complete during gameplay. Next, review the challenge objectives carefully. Challenges may include tasks like collecting a set number of rings, finishing a race in a certain time, performing combos, or reaching checkpoints without falling. Understanding the requirements beforehand helps you focus and complete them efficiently. Use your upgraded characters and power-ups to improve performance. Characters with higher speed, agility, or special abilities make it easier to complete objectives and earn bonus reward. Some challenges appear during a special event offering exclusive rewards such as rare skin, rings, or unique items. Prioritize these event challenges to unlock limited time reward and maximize your progress. After completing a challenge, make sure to collect your rewards from the in-game menu. Regularly completing challenges helps you level up faster, earn more rings, and unlock additional features in Sonic Rumble. Now you know how to complete challenges in Sonic Rumble efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.